Well, the bass is pretty loud. The walls are moving, your heart's thumping, and it's really late at night.
And you're not even right next to it.
102.
It sounds like the band is in our bedroom.
Have you been here before?
Yeah, 12 years.
You've been here for 12 years. Have you ever had this kind of problem before?
Never.
Okay. And is this the kind of thing that might make you think about not coming back to Key West?
Oh, definitely. We've already looked into it. For sure.
Now, was it quieter in your room?
He's with me.
I
Actually,
didn't
I'm
wanna
in the
tell
same.
anybody.
I'm in the same room.
Yeah.
It's the bass drum and the bass guitar just echoes through the room, and like I said, we've been here 12 years, never had any issue, and I won't frequent that place, and I may not even come back to Key West if that's going to continue.
Well, I'm sorry to hear that. We'll see what we can do about it. And hi.
Hello, we've been coming down from Ohio for 30 years and we stay in the same room, 101, and in that time we've never experienced anything like that. We know it's Key West and Duval Street's only a half a block away, but this is overpowering. Just could not sleep.
And your 30-year thing may end?
Don't want it.
We don't want it to. Hopefully Phil will take care of that.
All right, good. Hi. How was your evening?
Noisy. It was difficult to sleep. We've never heard that loud of music before, and it didn't sound like music. It just sounded like drums, and a lot of the amps were way too high.
All right. Well, thank you.